The covenant, always in the way. Love anchored in God. It's resilient, too resilient. It resists me, but humans, separated from God, they will separate from each other due to selfish gain and not transformation. Let's tear the covenant. I plant the seed of singleness. I allow them to fantasize about what it would be like to be single again, to have a redo, to be able to do things on their own terms. I let silence scream louder than truth. I let every flaw turn into a betrayal. I let love forget how to listen. I can create resentment through unresolved issues. I can replay wounds from the past like it's their favorite song. And I can allow forgiveness to seem foolish. I let love forget how to breathe through the union. I nudge them gently towards ease and not endurance. I let convenience seems like a calling. I make escape feel so sacred, so peaceful. I let covenant bend beneath the weight of self-preservation. Perfect. Once divided, their prayers lose rhythm. Their callings split. Their children inherit confusion. And all I needed was a whisper.